Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of US oil for Friday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So, my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart of US oil in front of us, and today is Friday, so be careful because market is always dangerous at the time of opening and at the time of closing. So if you had a good week, profitable week, so try to to stay cautious because one bad trade, oil is like a beast. Okay, one bad trade may take out all your profit. So anyways, let's discuss the trading opportunities for Friday. Before I start the video, I would like to say that number of trading opportunities are limited because market is mostly waiting for the OPEC plus. Okay, you can see here WTI crude futures strengthened above 78 per barrel on Friday and were set to advance near 3% this week amid speculation that OPEC plus will extend supply cuts as well as due to continuous tensions in the Middle East. All eyes are on the upcoming OPEC Plus meeting in March, where producers will likely stick to voluntary production limits until at least the June ministerial meeting to help stabilize the market. So, till the OPEC Plus, there is a possibility that we may get to see a choppiness in the market because we have seen in other markets also, whenever news is coming, okay, market usually prefers to wait for it silently, and before a major event or before a major news, market doesn't go for a particular direction as well. Yesterday we saw US oil making a high of 79.50, 79.60, and it came down immediately. So during the day, okay, during the day, and if you see that US oil is bullish again, and if you see US oil above 79.50, be careful with a buy at breakout because it may turn into a false breakout as well. So if you see the market is going for a buy, then initially you can enter with a small lot size. If you see that upside is continuing, then you can enter with the rest of the position. But initially or at the beginning, when you'll see a breakout, be careful because there is a high chance that it may turn into a false breakout. And to avoid false breakout, the one and only medicine is buy at retracement. So after the breakout, okay, after the breakout, if you have the patience, because personally I don't, after the breakout, if you see that market is coming down again, then wait for the market to take support around this area. Wait for the market to take support around 79.50. Once the market will settle around this area and bounce back, that will be a safe entry. If you see a breakout, so buy at retracement then. Okay. And on the other hand, during the day, if we see market going down, okay, if we see market going down, as market has taken support around this area many times, there's a high chance that market will be breaking the support. Right now, market doesn't have much volume, so if the size of the candles remains the same, you can expect to take market may go for a small bounce, market may take a small support around this area. But whenever a level becomes too common, it is not an ideal level to trade. There's a high chance that market will try to go for SL hunting around this area, and your stop loss may get hit. Be careful. So during the day, according to my opinion, the best level to go for buy is around 77.50 and 77. These are the two levels where we can look for a buy because we have FIBO 50% retracement level around this area and market has taken support, and then 77 because of FIBO's 61.8% retracement level. Earlier also we have seen our FIBO working, so we can expect the same again. So if market drops, you can look for a buy around this area. If you see the market is taking support, market is showing price rejection from below, but the support that is available to us in front of our naked eyes, market has already taken support around this area many times. There's a high chance that this time market may go for SL hunting. So once the market will be down, observe the size of the candle or the volume. If the volume is high, avoid buy around this area, around 78 level. If you see the market is going down with small candles, then you can take the risk. Otherwise, it is better to wait for the market to come down to 77.5, 77 level. If market takes support according to expectation, then only hit the buy button. Do not gamble, do not trade blindly. No level is permanent in the market. Okay. So these are the only opportunities that I see on the chart of US oil as of now, 77.5, 77 level. If market takes support and bounces, and in case market doesn't come for retracement, market starts shooting up, we can look for buy at retracement. And there's a high chance that till the meeting, market may remain sideways and choppy. So be careful. That's all from my side. Have a lovely day. Thank you so much.